shit was sour like rotten fruit. Whoa. No, I don't got a problem. Nope. No, I don't got no problems. Nope. Yeah. Whoa. Letting the sunbeams come through the panoramic sunroof and shit. Yeah. Wow. The sun came out today and shined on my Cartier. Photosynthesis for the plants, it was hardly fair. My composure limitless, not impaired by a common stare. I lit a J, the pain from yesterday, it was hardly there. Turmeric and neem, B12, zinc, elderberry. Lucrative routines, jet skiing mid-February. Pull up in the foreign, I might pull up in the classic. A fender bender, I ain't really tripping over that shit. Less stressing, I just move my pen and make the cash print. But mentioning my business wrong, you might just get your ass kicked. Muay Thai stance and do a backflip looking fresh as fuck. Used to measure stuff when my luck could never measure up. Weatherproof, yeah, I really made it through the storm and snow. Had to get it cracking with a package that will form from blow. All I know, I got a lot of gratitude and passion too. Masterful craftsmanship on the cube and on my clavicle. Whoa. Enjoying the fruits of my labor. When I started it was rotten. Nowadays I be in the tropics playing possum. I started from the bottom, the real bottom. Nowadays I don't got a problem, I am the problem. Enjoying the fruits of my labor. When I started it was rotten. Nowadays I be in the tropics playing possum. I started from the bottom, the real bottom. Nowadays I don't got a problem, I am the problem. The sun came out today, I remember when it didn't much. Way before my wrist would blush, never had no pick me up. Silly ducks hitting my line now, they trying to find out. I remember being down on my luck, I was getting slimed out. Now we play the balcony and toast, it's motivational. I used to be complacent in the basement, I couldn't take it though. I really got all my shit, I always knew it would take a while. In the face of adversity, I always knew how to fake a smile. Now I leave my competition, respirator style. Climb the ladder to success, escalator style. Elevators in the building, no pissing it. Rich as shit, killing shit. People thinking the pill I took was limitless. Critics got opinions, I ain't really wanna talk much. I'm vicious with the bars, your top 5 could get chalked up. I vividly remember all the hardships, got bossed up. Getting my car washed every other day, they said I was washed up. Enjoying the fruits of my labor. When I started it was rotten. Nowadays I be in the tropics playing possum. I started from the bottom, the real bottom. Nowadays I don't got a problem, I am the problem. Enjoying the fruits of my labor. When I started it was rotten. Nowadays I be in the tropics playing possum. I started from the bottom, the real bottom. Nowadays I don't got a problem, I am the problem. The sun came out today, it was hardly fair. Ain't that some shit? I see the sun through a cloud, my G.